My name is Joshua Field. I am a quality engineer at ZF Lemforder UK in Solihull, and we make parts for Jaguar Land Rover. I'm 29 years old and I live in Longwich in South Birmingham. Finishing secondary school, finishing my GCSEs, still didn't know what I wanted to do, so the easiest thing was to stay on at the sixth form in my school and do some A-levels. Didn't really enjoy it. Yeah, all I wanted to do really was like leave school, earn a bit of money just to go to football really. So yeah, after a year I dropped out and started looking for work. I was doing loads of different interviews for loads of different roles. My dad finally said enough's enough. I started here when I was 18 years old, an agency worker on the shop floor, so assembling the parts actually on the production line. Then the next year I was made permanent as an operator, so I actually works for ZF. I was here roughly 8 to 9 years before I started doing the apprenticeship, and then to get a higher paid job I had to get the qualifications to back it up. That's why I started the apprenticeship. My role is a quality engineer, so we make sure first and foremost that the customer is protected, so any parts that leave here will be quality checks. So if you have any issues arise on the shop floor, we only have maximum 3 to 4 hours to try and fix the problem before it affects Jaguar Land Rover. It can be a lot of pressure, but I enjoy working under that pressure because it brings out the best in you. The biggest career challenge I've faced is moving from the shop floor into the office environment, so that was a massive change because I was coming in every day and doing the same thing basically over and over again, and then moving into an office environment was a big challenge then because you're in with the big boys. I shouldn't say that. The job satisfaction I get is working for the biggest British UK car manufacturer in Jaguar Land Rover. Playing my small part is really rewarding. The long-term goal would be to get a good qualification on my apprenticeship. Hopefully that leads to more qualifications to achieve in the future, and then eventually into a more senior role. When I was growing up, I didn't think it would be possible to be an engineer because I weren't like an academic person. So I thought you'd have to go through school, college and then university and achieve all these qualifications to be an engineer, when really you don't. You can work your way up at a company. Just do your research into different apprenticeships, training courses. I'm 29 and only just figuring out what I'm happy doing. My advice to people who are thinking about going into STEM fields would be not to be afraid of starting from the bottom, because when you start from the bottom and work your way up, you are more experienced when you get to that higher level. Working on the shop floor and then being promoted into a higher role gives you more confidence in that role because you know what you're talking about.